Welcome back, Bright Minds.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Megan.
And today we have a really super duper fun Halloween art activity for you. For those of you who don't know me personally, one thing you should know is that Halloween is my most favourite time of the year. I love the spookiness, I love dressing up, I also love the chocolate. Can't go wrong with the chocolate.
No, you can't.
So I thought it would be the perfect idea to do a little art activity which features monsters, because monsters are a big part of Halloween. We've devised this interactive worksheet which allows you to create your own monster using dice. This activity is a great way to tie in some numeracy capabilities with some art.
This activity can be used as a lesson idea. It can be used as a little fun activity once you've finished all your work. There are so many possibilities with this little worksheet. So this activity is targeted at junior primary, but it can be enjoyed at every age. Teachers, don't forget to stick around to the end of the video to see exactly how we've linked this to a Cara.
And don't forget, this is also available on my TPT, so if you want to download it, feel free to check it out. It's for free. The method is simple. There are 5 times you roll the dice, 1 for the body, the head, extra parts of the body, emotions, and features on your monster. So you start by rolling the dice, and whatever number it lands on is what you have to draw for your monster. So firstly, we're going to be determining the shape of our monster's body. Let's roll the dice and find out.
I have an oval body.
I rolled a 5, so that means I have a rectangle body.
Now onto the head.
I have a circle head.
And I have a rectangle head.
Time for the extra body parts.
Oh no.
My monster is going to have extra legs.
And my monster's gonna have extra noses.
Now we are determining what emotion our monster is going to portray. My monster's going to be happy.
My monster's gonna be angry.
And last but not least, we're determining extra features. My monster's going to have tentacles.
My monster's gonna have an antenna.
Oh. So as you can see, we've rolled our dice and circled our monster body. Now it's time to draw.
Your own little monster.
I think they look super cute. I know yours was supposed to be scary, but it looks really cool.
So cute, look at that.
Mine's like a crossbreed between a pig and an octopus. I hope you had lots of fun with this activity. Don't forget, if you do end up doing this activity and make your own little monster, don't forget to tag us on Instagram at Bright Minds Teaching so we can see your awesome creations. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed our little drawings today.
And make sure you hit that notification bell to keep up to date with all our new videos.
Until next time, we'll see you soon, Bright Minds. Happy Halloween!